hold on for a second. Let's see. Why won't you guys say something?
It's very quiet. You're waking up all of the vampires. We're supposed to be using Rosary at this time.
All right.
Hai fatto la cosa giusta. Sì, no. Bravo.
Let's do this info. So, junk.
My junk is on.
It's a
The depository.
yes.
Hey, look, we have a wheel. You know.
Muore su lo stesso.
Ah, questa è una finestra. È una di lato.
La porta è
You
qua.
bring the light in a little more for us.
No, dovrebbe essere qua.
See, a door. Seats. I do.
Attenzione.
Refrigerator.
You can pull this out for a second.
Okay, you found another room.
See.
Allora, no, c'è una porta che accede lì da fuori, dai.
A bunch of junk. Just what I thought it was
Pull
going
it
to
out so we can.
È profondo. Oh, there is it's more deep and there is a door
be. See.
in the street.
Right,
See, see,
yeah.
see.
Yeah, perfect. Yeah.
Excellent.
Like we are like in this story.
Exactly. It was the only unknown left. Get all the dust. Well, we can work on this in daylight and
It's very
show everybody what we got.
very useful because
Yeah.
it could be like a second entrance
Exactly.
because it's big.
So, no vampires. No dead people. No
Big bag of money.
big bag of money. Well, I mean, I don't know. Maybe 2 old wheelbarrows will go for some good cash. Anyways, this is what I actually thought was going to be in there. I look forward to sort of emptying this out and cleaning it up. I feel like everybody's old house has one of these. It's like the junk drawer closet.
It's the tool shed.
It's the tool shed.
Actually, our friend who was here pointed out that this has like large, thick walls here.
Oh, yeah.
So ultimately, like this was the original exterior of the house, and
That's an addition.
and yeah, it's an addition. So I think we're now up to how many additions were put on this house over the years?
I don't
I'm
know.
losing track.
We are, definitely. Oh, and it came with a pitchfork and a shovel, and I was in need of a shovel. So, look at that.
And a broom.
Just
Yeah.
saved me at least 20 arrows and maybe a broom. I have to
It's
have-
kind of like the Italian style.
It might be. It might be. So, excited to check it out. We'll see. Nothing special, just, like the curious person in me. But that's all. Sadly, no vampires. There were so many things in this room. There's even like a piece of furniture that holds wood, so there's a ton of wood pieces in there. Lots of pipes and actually 3 wheelbarrows. And Matt and I decided to just dig in and sort of pull enough out that our architects could get in there and do some measuring, but there's a ton more to go. And I don't know, maybe we'll find a treasure in there, maybe won't, but it was fun anyway. Thanks for watching. Click subscribe.